Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing user profiles on your PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Login Settings. Now select User Management. Click Delete User. Select the profile you want to remove from the PS4. Click Delete if you're sure you want to remove it. That user profile has been deleted from your PS4. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.